In today's video, I show you how you can earn $7,500 a month just by answering questions, just by commenting on them. So stay tuned until the end of this video. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click on the notification. The website I'm going to talk about is called Study Pool, and here you can find 24/7 student help. So basically, the university students who didn't pay attention to classes or need extra explanations come to this website, hope to find an answer. Here you can see over 20 million degrees, and here you can see that they work with some really big companies, and here you can see how it works. Students submit a question, connect with a tour, they do, and the instructor explain the answer to his questions. And here you can see all categories of comments: humanities, mathematics, programming, science, and etc. And when you click here, you can see some categories. It's good. And when you source here, you can see even you can sell documents. All you have to do is when you click on sell documents here, and here you can see how you can sell these documents. For example, these documents here has 9 pages and it was sold 734 times and earned $4,040 and $3,030, $1,200, $100 and $3,400 and etc. You can even sell your documents yourself. Let me just see this, and here you can get some viewers. And like I said, we actually want to make money with this website, and that means we actually want teachers, we want to answer students' questions. So click here to become a teacher because we want to teach them. And here you can see homework question up to $7,500 per month. Working with students get the lowest service fees. Currently the fee is only 20%. It's not the lowest, the average service fee is only 20%. You can see reliable income here. You can see complete freedom and flexibility. So basically you choose who you work with, how much you work, and here's that you actually do and how it actually works. Students ask a specific question that is important for the teacher to answer through text and provide a complete explanation and answer about the particular year. And here you can see the student-teacher communication through the chat messenger on this website. And here you can view important session once based on one question, means one person, one student cannot ask you 10, 15, 20 questions. They only can ask you one question. If they want more question from, if you ask, you have to pay more. And you can see recent question here, $5, $15, $3, and etc. And here you can see explanations about different topics. When you click here, you can see this question is how it look like. I'm talking according to the avatar that a girl asked this question, and you can see according to the avatar that some guys answered this question, have answered, and this is where you can see how you answer should be like this. And this guy who answered this question got $40 for answering about the question. So I can see here and every day, and this is a question side, and I look at the highest income. This person here has earned $91,000. This website has paid a lot of money so far, which you can see here. And here you can see the popular tour countries when you scroll down and then click here. And now confirm your email, and after that you will be directed to your dashboard where you can have to complete your profile. You have to add basic information, your name, your specialty, your university degree, and such thing. You have to confirm that in some you are an expert in the field, and after that you can start earning money with study pool, and you can start helping this student. And as I said, you can earn only from $3 to $40 from each response, and you can earn, as you have seen, earn up to $7,500 a month only just by commenting, just by answering students' questions. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to channel and click on the notification bell smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next videos.